Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Taurus Horoscope Pusheen Cat. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start by drawing the horns on the head. Draw a short diagonal line here. Now S-curves up on either side like this. Then follow that same curve back down to the center on either side. Let's draw the sides of the body next. Draw a long curve down on the left side. For the right side, draw a more S-like curve down and back in at the bottom. Next at the bottom, draw a curve for the top of the tail. Now draw a large curve like this. And then one more curve to close off the end of the tail. Now draw a curve here for the foot. Then another foot on the left here and curve it back down to the tail. Let's draw the face next. Draw the mouth here with two curves. Next, draw two U-shapes on either side for the eyes. Now 3 lines under each eye for the eyelashes. Next, draw 2 whiskers on either side. Let's draw the hands next. Draw 2 upside down U shapes here. And then draw 3 V shapes on the left hand. Now let's draw the flute in the hands. Draw 2 lines on an angle in the hands like this. And then close it off at the end with a curve. And then draw 2 curves on the back. Lastly, I'm going to draw a few rounded stars around Pusheen. And that's it for this Taurus horoscope version of Pusheen. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.